G'day guys, welcome back. Ethan here from Shock Factor Fitness. I hope you enjoyed last week's workout. This one we've got a doozy for you. This week's workout is called 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Now, it's pretty simple the way this is going to work. You're going to complete 2 rounds of 5 exercises. You're going to have 50 star jumps, you're going to have 40 mountain climbers, you're going to have 30 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, and lastly 10 full chest to floor burpees. So let's go through that again. 50 star jumps, 40 mountain climbers, 30 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, and 10 full burpees. You have 2 rounds to complete for time, making sure that obviously all your reps are quality. Let's have a look. As you can see, it is a challenging workout this week, but if you're one of those people that needs a little bit more of a challenge, instead of doing 2 rounds, try 3 rounds and see how you go. Alright guys, enjoy the workout, best of luck. Let us know in the comments below how you found the workout. If you've got any suggestions for future workouts, let us know in the comments. And lastly guys, don't forget, join our free Facebook group, Fit and Healthy, where we can give you daily tips, tricks, nutritional health and fitness motivation. Link's going to be down below in the description guys. Have a great weekend.